The following contest is a championship first round match. Making her way to the ring from Brisbane, Australia, Jade Moore.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it.
One of the top names in the entire women's division, and she plans on showing exactly why here tonight.
One of the best competitors in the women's division.
And from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha.
I've been thinking about it, and there is no one I trust less than this person. This is someone that would turn on anyone, even their own family.
It's called looking out for numero uno. Number one, Saxton. No one's going to help you win or help you get title opportunities. At the end of the day, you can only count on yourself.
This is a match she has long been asking for. She is more than ready to compete tonight.
And of all the possible matchups in this tournament, I'd say we've got one of the best in front of us right now.
Look, I'll admit, I've had my fingers crossed it would work out this way. This one has real show-stealing potential.
She's fighting back.
Oh.
Great counter. Oh, counters right into the breadbasket.
Oh, knee right through the stomach.
On a forearm.
Nothing fancy here.
Backbreaker.
Backbreaker.
She returns the favor there.
Arm control applied and a
Working the arm and then a kick right to the ribs.
They're gonna wear down their opponent. Oh, with the heel hook stretch. Ooh, well measured.
Just twisting away. She's enduring some damage. Able to interrupt the attack.
Look at the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
You can see the intent behind that attack. Exploiting the arm must be the strategy here.
This is going to take impressive power. Can she do it? Yes! Inverted suplex.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Look at this.
Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
Targeting the neck. Right after the neck.
Strong forearm. Waist lock. No, no.
Belly to belly.
My goodness.
Seated bionic elbow. Oh, that could produce a dislocation or at the very least, a pinched nerve.
Trapping the arm. And the ropes break this one up.
Great ring awareness there.
Rolling next.
Hoping to end it here. Breaks the close count.
Good Lord, scarily close to 3.
Knee right to the midsection. Looking bad for her here. Turned that one around.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy.
Uh-oh.
Half and half suplex. Lights up.
Oh, my God. Pendulum backbreaker.
Tick-tock. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Ah, look at this.
Oh, that can dislocate something.
She flips it back on her. Corey, that's a unique suplex.
Wrist clutch suplex. Perfect.
Referee's count at 7. They need to get back into the ring.
She'll take things into the ring. Putting a stop to all her showboating. Got the arm. Disarmer. It's got to be over.
Oh, man. There's no...
Arm is trapped, but she gets away.
Trap the arm. Neck breaker.
So smooth.
Boom. And now she's looking to go top rope.
High risk.
All the way to the outside. Taken out from high above. You got to be some special kind of crazy to do that. Fisherman Buster.
Got it cinched in. This could be it.
Boom. Package driver. Counters.
And she is finally able to mount some resistance with that.
It's time for her to take advantage of that misstep and take command.
We're reaching a point where these superstars must be hurt, must be vulnerable.
And who's going to find a way to capitalize on that vulnerability? Ooh, refusing to let it get to her head.
For the win! 2! And a major victory in her career tonight.
Here is your winner, Jade Moore.
And if you're getting a victory like that, you got to be feeling pretty good about yourself.
This sort of win...